What's up, guys and girls? It's good to see you today on the speaknsee show. I ask that you like, subscribe, click that notification button so that when I get information out, you can get information in. I want to say happy belated Father's Day to all you fathers who were out there yesterday with your kids, giving them love and support, and hopefully they were giving you love and support too. And I actually got a couple new hats. Check it out. I got my Buccaneers training hat. Go Bucks. Check out these two. Tampa Bay Rays hat. Remember, World Series last year, Super Bowl last year. They lost the World Series. They won the Super Bowl, and Tampa Bay Lightning hat. Won the Stanley Cup last year. Yeah, Tampa's on a roll. Anyway, happy belated Father's Day. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I am going to go over a few tips right now about the 24-month EIDL increase loan modification, for those of you who are out there getting it. And I wanted to go over the insurance part of it. As you know, I'm a YouTuber, so my insurance will maybe a little bit different from yours, but I would like to go over where you can get insurance for it, how to go about getting insurance, maybe the cheapest possibilities for you and your business, and just exactly what I've been going through to get up to this point with my EIDL 24-month EIDL loan increase. So hopefully this information helps. Once again, like, subscribe, and click that notification button. Let's get into it. I got my EIDL increase email last week on the 17th. Today is the 21st. I put up the video. I showed you what it looked like, and I'll show you again. It looks like this. Okay, so he said, good morning, good afternoon. I am the loan officer processing your EIDL increase request. In order to proceed, you'll need the following documentation. If the requested documentation is not received within 7 days, we'll assume you're not interested and decline the loan. Per your original loan authorization and agreement, please provide the following documents. For EIDL loans over $25,000, the loan agreement requires hazard insurance on business contents. Please provide hazard insurance covering at least 80% business contents. I will also need a copy of a valid government photo ID, and please email documents to this email address, preferable, fastest way to fax them, and then he gives me the number, or mail them to, and then he gives me the address in order to mail them. Please be sure to include your SBA disaster loan application on the documents. If you have any questions, please contact me at the number below. Jeff. Okay, so here's what he's asking me. He's asking me for the insurance, and that's what we're going to go over right now. I've went because as a sole proprietor, I've never really went out and got insurance for my business or for my say my equipment, my video equipment, and I've got tens of thousands of dollars literally in equipment. And once you start adding things up, it's like, wow, I do have a lot of money invested in this company. And that's probably the same way you're looking at with your company. And if you come to this point where you're watching this video and you're needing loan hazard insurance for your business content, remember, I'm a YouTube creator, so it's a little bit more difficult than maybe it will be for you to get this type of insurance. Let me show you what I've done here. There are a few insurance companies that I tried to get to, and I did not get the, they were literally, I had insurance companies just cut me off once they find you're a content creator or they cannot do, the insurance for you. They'll either cut you off or they'll send you to another insurance company and say, oh, well, maybe they can help you, and they'll give you a nut, but it's like immediately, boom, bye-bye. Companies that did do that to me were Commercial Insurance Center, nah. Progressive, nah. Hartford, nah. Biz Insure, nah. Hiscox, nah. Now Byberk, B-I, capital B-E-R-K, they actually sent me they did look into it through email. It was all done by email and website online with Byberk. They tried calling me about an hour ago, but I didn't answer because I already got insurance. I'll show you that in a second. A policy, Byberk was actually going to go ahead and qualify me. They qualified me for some insurance. However, they were very expensive, and they gave me a lot of unneedful coverages that I really didn't need. So I could probably go back over and talk to them on the phone now, whether they would still want me as a policy owner because I didn't need all that other stuff, and it would be a very cheap policy. They were charging like $800 a year, I think, as opposed to the one that I did get, which it turned into be in Geico. Geico Insurance did end up getting me some insurance, and what I did is I went ahead and got renter's insurance for my home. If you are out there, you're a small business owner and you operate in your home, use your bedroom for an office over here, over there, and have your equipment or whatever you're using for your business in your home, then you can get renter's insurance. Now, I have not sent this to the SBA within the 7 days yet. I think I'm on my 5th day right now, or 4th. But I'm going to wait because the policy does not go through until the 22nd, which is tomorrow. So I got it today. I paid for it today, but I'm going to send it in tomorrow because it starts on tomorrow. So the policy starts on, and I don't want to send them in a policy that it's not even started yet. So I'm going to wait for one more day. So relax, take your time, get it within the 7 days, but don't just grab whatever you can and throw it out there before you're actually covered. You want to make sure you're covered before you send it. So I'm going to send that to them tomorrow, and then I will keep you posted on that. I will show you the insurance that I did get through Geico. Let me see if I can pull it up here for you. Now, as you can see on this insurance policy, I'll blot some of it out, of course, personal information. But what I did is the personal property, which in the letter it said you need to hazard insurance on your content. Here's what I want to show you for those of you that are looking at hazard insurance for your content. Now, if you go to Geico Insurance Agency LLC, you'll go to Geico, and it's a simple online insurance form that you click in for your renter's insurance. And my deductible is going to be $500 a year, and the policy is going to be from June 22nd to 2021 until June 22nd, 2022. Deductible is $500, and the personal property is C, and that's $40,000. That's the amount that would cover my my personal property in my house, which I believe $25,000 of that would be my office for my business. So personal liability, $100,000, loss of use, $12,000, medical payments, $1,000. And the total amount of the payment policy is only $283, which I thought was a very reasonable amount for insurance. I paid $69 up front, and then I will be paying payments of $20, or I believe it was $19 a month, something like that. It wasn't too much. Now you're wondering, well, it said hazard insurance. It's got to cover hazard insurance, and I agree. It does have to do that, which is what I believe. I did copy another piece of this policy. Bring it over here for you. And right here, can you see that? It says contents replacement cost. And it says personal property replacement cost endorsement provides that covered losses will be settled on a replacement cost basis without deduction or depreciation. So it's saying that this personal property will cover the contents of my businesses, of my equipment, and anything that, like my TVs, my computers, my video cameras, all that stuff is covered. It's counted as personal property. So that is actually included under contents down here. It will say not included down here, but it actually is saying, yes, it's included up here. So that's good to know. So I've got $40,000 worth of property that I'm going to be, or, business equipment that I'm going to be covering. But I just wanted to go ahead and bring this up to everybody out there who may be going through the same issue. How can I get insurance? And even for you YouTubers out there, if you got YouTubers out there, they're like, I can't find anybody to do hazard insurance for content creators. I hope this video helps you guys. I will let you know when I send it in tomorrow how the ball keeps rolling and how this insurance, was it accepted? Was it denied for a certain reason? I will let you know. Right now, we're still in the baby stages of the SBA. The SBA is still kind of in baby stages of trying to make things happen because this is all being written as we go. This is a brand new program with the COVID-19 stuff going on. So it's all being, worked on as we go. So it's hard having patience in a time like this when your business is really needing the money financially. So we just want to take our hats off those SBA agents who are really putting in that double time for us and for you. I hope this helps you all out there that are looking to get that loan, and prayers and thoughts are with you. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. You guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.